a little bit. What is happening, guys? Hope everyone is doing well. Today we got hopefully an exciting video for you. We're starting off the day strong. Team Canada got a big Game 1 win in the Olympics. I'm not sure if anyone out there are big hockey fans like myself. I'm a huge Oilers fan, if you couldn't tell from the jersey in the background. But yeah, not sure if anyone out there are big hockey fans or if you're staying caught up with the Winter Olympics this year. I've been kind of so-so, but obviously men's hockey is just starting up. Big Game 1 win. Yeah, hopefully we can keep that going. Today, we're not talking about hockey. Instead, we will be talking car parts. I'm not sure if anyone caught my last video, but we ended up actually picking up a bunch of new car parts for the rebuild on my 07 STI. As you can see, we've got a bit of a collection started from the brand new built short block that we've ordered last fall, as well our new oil pump. Got head studs, head gaskets, new clutch, new Killer B oil pan and pickup, a whole bunch of new parts. We are going to take all these guys in to the shop today and drop those off. So pretty shortly here, actually Tash and I, we're going to get these loaded into the truck and head on over to the shop that will be doing all the work for us. It sounded like obviously today is Thursday. So earlier this week, as of Monday, it sounded like they had started to actually tear apart my original motor. So I'm not sure how far they would have gotten, if they would have been able to get the heads separated. I'm not sure how far they've gotten, but hopefully we actually should be able to show you guys here in this video, maybe some of the old motor. Yeah, so we're going to get these parts in the truck, head to the shop here right away. Hopefully we can get a little bit of an update. This is insane to me. I can't believe this is happening. That's exactly what I actually noticed when I checked my coolant and stuff before I brought the car in the first time. I did notice that it looked... I know when I brought it in and Terrence ended up doing... yeah, he did his few tests. His thought was that the engine was going to be healthy, but... So sorry, what are your thoughts then?
I haven't, right now I'm just at the point of getting the heads off. Everything else looks, from the top surface.
Yeah.
And from in here, from what I can see in here is not bad.
Okay.
But, I'll have to take off the heads and everything to see. So it might be just internally. Maybe once we take off the heads, we see, I'll keep working on it slowly.
Yeah.
But everything on this side is still, it's not bad.
Yeah.
Right?
No, it's cool just to see.
Some everything really on this side to see.
Yeah.
Right, like your intake valves look pretty clean here.
Okay. Yep.
Right.
Yeah. No, they do. Okay.
Right, I don't see anything out of the ordinary right now.
Yeah.
Right, until we take off the heads and see the pistons and all that.
So, I wanted to start grabbing a couple of those and then maybe I can grab the block. We ended up going and checking out the stock block, so he already showed me around it and everything.
Yeah, and?
He hasn't got the heads separated, it's just the valve covers. It's all in the legs.
Ready?
Just a little bit. Yeah. So whose Porsche is this one?
It's one you want to stack this on top of it?
I think so. Yeah, it should be okay. This is the one that's the oil pan stuff.
Still want to mix everything up.
This is the oil pump.
Okay.
And that's with the oil pan stuff. I think that is everything. Awesome. Well,
Okay, thanks a lot, man. Thank you.
That.
See you later.
So, as you would have probably seen in some of the video, they got the old oil pickup and the old oil pan that we're going to replace. They got the intake manifold taken off. Valve covers are taken off, and we kind of got to look inside of them, which is kind of cool to actually see the cans. And I've never really seen inside the engine anyway, so that's pretty cool. It sounds like when Terrence gets back to the shop, he's going to progress with just getting the rest of the engine torn apart. Which way am I going?
You're going left.
Have I passed it?
No, right here.
So yeah, I'll have a better idea, or they'll have a better idea what exactly happened in the motor once they get the heads removed and take a better look. And then yeah, we'll get a better sense on timeline as far as when they can get those heads sent off to the machine shop, and that will give us more or less a better idea for, you know, when everything is going to start getting put back together. So hopefully things can happen soon. But yeah, we'll wait, I guess, to hear from Terrence on further updates.
But for now, we gotta go to Costco.
Yeah, now it's time to go to Costco. All right, guys, we are all back home. Parts dropped off at the shop, and it was actually pretty cool just to get a chance to see the old motor just slightly torn apart. As I mentioned before, when it comes to the heads, they still obviously need to get separated. It sounds like, so Terrence, the fellow who owns and runs the shop there, when Terrence is back in town, it sounds like he'll help out with removing the heads and looking over everything on the motor. He is definitely, well, the reason why I'm taking my car to TT Automotive in the first place is because I have a lot of trust with the shop, and I know Terrence, he knows a lot when it comes to Subaru. Being that he has a lot of experience with this platform, that is why I obviously wanted him building my new motor. We're gonna wait for him to get back, so it's awesome. Kevin was actually the fellow at the shop that was giving us a hand there today, so thank you very much, Kevin, for your help. If you are happen to watch this video. I don't know what the chances of that would be. Obviously things were able to get started on the motor, which is great. And they have all the parts there now, so they can kind of do what they need with them. So we'll wait to hear back on that. And as soon as we do, we'll probably head back into the shop and go take a peek once they get the heads separated. And yeah, get a better overall update on everything that transpired. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did enjoy it, big old thumbs up is always appreciated. If you have not subscribed to the channel, definitely consider subscribing if you want to, stay tuned and track all the progress. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. We'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.